Hi guys, Akanksha here. So I'm back again. I'm being guided to do a pick a card reading for you all. So let's get started. Before starting the reading, I would like you all to please take deep 11 breaths, deep inhale and deep exhale. And whichever card you are drawn to, this is clear quartz, pile 1. Pile 2 is green jasper. Pile 3 is fluorite. So whichever card you are drawn to, please choose that one. So I would like to start with pile 1. So the very first message from the angels is serenity. So what they want to tell me is, first you need to affirm it, like say it 3 times in a day, right before you get up early in the morning, and just write it down somewhere and say it as many times as you would like to. And just going before sleeping, please say this: I am serene and still. So the angels wants to tell you that serenity bestows inner peace, tranquility and calmness of mind. When you feel serene, you are your own person for nothing, and no one can bother, upset or influence you. So you are like a calm, clear lake. So ask your angels to hold you in serenity, to hold you in peace no matter what happens in your surroundings, to be in that calm space, to come from a place of quietness so that you make your decisions more firm. And the second affirmation is, my life is a celebration. So the very first message which I got is, they are telling you to celebrate life as it comes. Do not worry, just seek the joy in your current present moment. Whatever joy and whatever blessings you have been showered upon, be grateful, and just always be in that presence of mind that yes, wherever I am in this moment of time, I am meant to be here, I'm supposed to be here, and I have to make my life more beautiful. But before that, I need to be in that place that I have to celebrate it. Unless and until you celebrate it, be it just giving thanks to your guides, or just recollecting your good memories, that will the nostalgia which we say, that will give you a lot of things to to rely upon. Yeah. And see, they are saying me to draw you can see here laughter and light. So follow your laughter, watch comedy movies or anything comedy. So this is a timeless reading, guys. I forgot to mention. So whenever you come across this reading, just take what resonates and leave the rest. This will apply to your career, love, health and overall life. So take as it resonates and leave the rest. So yeah, so my life is a celebration. Be in that positive frame of mind. Reprogram your mind that yes, you deserve the best, and whatever you have right now is a celebration. Just follow your heart. Second thing, oh wow, so they want to tell you is, if you are disconnected with your friends or family, just call someone who you have not spoken with in a while, and please call them whoever you want to talk. They are waiting to hear from you, your close ones. Please give them a call or a text message, and make sure that they are okay. Yeah. And the stillness of the night searches for you. You are being asked to bathe in still silence, with only the earth noises to be heard. Watch the stars as they carry your mind away to great heights. I can feel that many of you guys are, night owls, and you like to gaze upon the stars. So if any one of you, love watching stars, so, you'll find your answers once you gaze upon the stars. So yeah, follow your heart. The third message which angels wants to give it to you is, not to give up. Please don't give up on your dreams. All great successes happen when a person shows perseverance and commitment. As I said in my earlier readings, that be committed to yourself first and do not give up. The angels would like to tell you that things are working in your favor and not to give up when it comes to your career, love life, health, and overall life. Just go with the flow, because that's the strongest message which I'm getting right now. Not to worry anything or anyone about. Oh wow, see, you have that inner strength. Strength came, which means you have tamed the lion, whatever hardships which you have encountered, you know how, whenever it comes, you know how to tame it, you know how to go about it. So yeah, literally holding the lion, literally taming it. So she has that control. Take back your control. So you have that strength, and there's an infinity sign, so you have infinite power within you to heal yourself, and trigger your inner. So if someone is there to guide you, just go with their guidance. It may not seem, it may not seem like that's what you needed, but maybe it's for the highest and greatest good of your purpose. So if you you can see here a lot of greenery is there, so go out in nature if it's possible. If it's not, so just listen to calm music, which is surrounded by a lot of greenery. And you have infinite abundance. So there's this so bright yellow, so you can see, so there's the sun shining, so as spring is coming, as spring has arrived, so you're within 8 months, till September, you have got a lot of opportunities which will be presented to you. And mostly the 88 portal will open a lot of blessings in your life. So trust and do not give up. Wow, 10 of Cups, See, you can see the family is so happy over here. So 10 of Cups means a lot of joy. Your dreams are coming into, fulfillment. I can also see if you want to propose someone, you can go and propose that person, because it will not turn into something, one-sided. It will be mutual. So your dreams of being happy, 10 of Cups is the most happiest card of being in a joyful relationship. I can see a lot of relationships getting approval. So just move ahead and go for it. You will have a happy home and happy life. So just trust and follow your intuition. And yeah. Wow, Hierophant. Hierophant is the confirmation, guys, that you are on a right path. You will get your justice and you will get your abundance and fulfill life in your career, love, health wise also, there are there are people who are ready to help you. So take their guidance, meditate, and be in that place to receive help. Many I can feel that many of you have put barriers, have put wall against you. So be ready to accept the help from the others, the ones who want to help you. But just go for it. And this is a confirmation. The Hierophant is you have their back. You have God's back. God is there with you. Nothing to worry. Yeah. So the ones who have chosen this green jasper, the beautiful crystal, so let's see what your messages are. Clarity. So you will get a clarity upon some subject which you were procrastinating. You were procrastinating it since a long time. Your mind is quiet and still and clear. So you have attained that calmness. Many of you might be doing a lot of meditation also, and if not, please start and continue doing it, because 15 minutes or 10 minutes in a day will not take away a lot of time of yours. So the angel wisdom reminds you that a busy, cluttered mind is a sick one, and a still, clear mind is a divine one. See, so when we get so busy in our day-to-day life, it is a cluttered one and many thoughts, and we get drift away from our purpose. So they are telling me to please clear your mind and allow the wisdom of your heart. Again, follow your heart, sit quietly. Many people, I hear from them that we are alone, no, that aloneness is for you to move ahead when it comes to listen to your inner guidance. And we are never alone. We are always surrounded by our guides, ancestors, angels. There are tons and millions of them supporting you. They are waiting for you to ask for their assistance. And they are telling me to just clear your mind. And if you are doing meditation, that's really, really nice, and they would like to applaud you. Well done, guys, the ones who are doing meditation and following their heart. That's what guides want to tell me. The second one is, I find joy in everything. Like same which came in pile 1. Please say this affirmation, I find joy in everything. Means please find joy in every little thing which you have right now, and whatever comes in your life, just accept it with lot of joy and serenity. Joy springs from a sense of connection to the divine and is quality which illuminates you. So yeah, enjoy life. Just enjoy life as it comes, not to worry. I know the situation is little, up and down, but find joy, planting trees or anything, just looking at the window, outside the window, will bring you a lot of joy and calmness. Things are turning in your favor, pile 2. Congratulations. Wow. I think many of you wonder whether you're protected or not. So they are telling me protection is right now with you. Feel that comfort, feel that blanket of comfort. Protection is with you right now, and whenever you ask for it, you will receive it. Feel that blanket of comfort and security around you. Just say, I am secure in who I am. I am secure in who I am. I am secure in who I am. Focus on your root chakra. Say, Lam, Lam, Lam. Because somehow I feel pile 2 feels that they are not protected. Everything is going good. Sometimes they feel that, the insecurity just, comes, and, the mind, though the mind is clear, but sometimes insecurity, comes into your vicinity. So just clear it and just say that I'm secure in who I am, right? Yeah. And again, like pile 1, I guess if you were confused between pile 1 and pile 2, see both of them. The second message is, call someone who you haven't spoken in a while. They are waiting for you to hear from you, and have a good laugh, just discuss about your comedy scenes, or, just discuss whatever, fun you guys had, be it friends, family, or anyone you were missing. Just text them, just say those words which you were finding it difficult. Just make that first move, nothing will happen, good or bad. Just have a good laugh with your close ones. If you don't have anyone, just talk to your guides, it's okay. Don't worry. We are never alone. At this very moment, trust you are right where you belong. Trust where you are. Same like pile 1. Just trust and have faith. Even amongst the darkest time, you can still make a list of the things you are grateful for. Just make a list of the things which you are grateful for, which you have right now. Whenever you go, everyone has dark and light times. Everyone goes through black and white. So how much do you give your power? Whom do you give your power? Do you stumble upon the obstacles, or stay there and cry? No. Do you just make that stand? No, I will not be a victim. I have suffered a lot, but I have learned the lessons. Now my wisdom will guide me, my angels will guide me, and I'll be very grateful. I'll make the list, I will read it around. Just make those lists and stick it on a wall, or just where you can see it every day. Things you are grateful for, because many living beings aspire, dream, to have this life. So we are lucky that we are, in this lifetime as a human, so embrace it and appreciate the beautiful life which you have right now. Yeah. So let's see what Rider-Waite Tarot cards have for you. Wow, 10 of Pentacles, financial abundance, guys. Wow, that's really nice. You can see, a happy home where this old man is there. Someone might get an ancestral property as well in the near future. And I can see 2 dogs. You might, if you are in 2 minds to own a pet, just go for it. If you, want to help someone, adopt a pet, please do that adoption. Please help animals. Please feed the animals. Please feed them water, animals and birds, water, food, and you might get, a lot of money, So save also and spend it wisely as well. Congratulations, pile 2. That's really nice. So yeah, pile 3, the ones who have chosen this beautiful fluorite. Let's see what angels have Okay, let's see your messages. Yeah, Archangel Jophiel. Wow, this is the angel of beauty, joy, and the sexiness, the beautiful angel. If you are doubting your beautiness, and if you think that you are not worthy of love and your outer appearances, just chug that feeling, because they are telling me that you are beautiful. They see you are beautiful, divine soul, here on this planet. You are beautiful. Okay, so Archangel Jophiel works on the golden ray, drawing wisdom from the source. Ask him, call upon Archangel Jophiel to help you to connect with a deep knowing. Deep within your soul, you are beautiful, okay? So if you want any guidance regarding to your education or higher education, call upon him and tell him to show you signs. If you see a yellow golden ray, that means go for it, okay? A yellow color or anything yellow related to yellow, bright yellow, ask him for direction and strength, okay? And if you are facing some negative situations in your life right now, ask him to please remove it and be grateful, and ask him if you and also if you want to buy some beauty products, go for it, and have that self-love. Self-love is not only embracing your outer beauty, but also embracing your inner beauty. You are perfect just the way you are. Thank you. And yeah, self-worth, be confident. Say this affirmation prayer for 3 times as soon as you get up early in the morning, and as soon as you sleep before or any time. They're telling me not to put it in a frame. You can say it any times, as many as time, once, twice, thrice, because I see that pile 3 is little lazy. So I am confident and worthwhile. I am confident and worthwhile. I am confident and worthwhile. So focus on a solar plexus chakra, guys. If it is blocked, just do this meditation and just say this: I am confident and worthwhile. Just say Ram, Ram. Focus on, yellow color. Ram. R-A-M. Ram. Okay. So by being lazy, it's not bad. It's good, That's a form of self-love as well. Even I am lazy sometimes, and that's good, We need rest. So call in Archangel Jophiel for that. A ripple effect in the water is energy spreading from an action. Your actions spread energy constantly, as do others. Mindfully surround yourself with people. So be mindful of whom you are surrounded with. Unlike pile 2, they were being asked to call their loved ones and friends. This tells me, be mindful. If you have friends, family that you feel are not good for you, you can just drift away and focus on you. And because the right people will come into your life, raise your vibration. It depends on a vibration, because sometimes what happens is, if the friends which are very old, like 20 years of friendship, but the sole purpose and the mission has been completed, they just drift apart. Two friends just drift apart and they follow their own journey, and based on their vibration they might meet again, for their journeys. So don't worry if you lose any friendships or friends. Just follow whomever make you feel, or whom you make of others feel good. Just soak that energy into it, and it's okay, guys. It's okay if you are going through hard times when it comes to your friends and family. It's okay, just bless them and move on. Don't worry. And maybe they are also going through hard times. If they say hurt people, if they have hurted you, just bless them and forgive them, and just say, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. This is Ho'oponopono method. I am being guided to tell you guys, if you are going through something, just say this in your mind and imagine that person and bless that person. But first, bless yourself. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Yeah. Okay, and wow, High Priestess, guys, your intuition is increasing. That's the very first message I got. High Priestess is, I hope you can see. No. Okay. So this High Priestess tells us about, your divine masculine and divine feminine energies are balanced. Not to worry about it. And you're protected. There's this protection. And if you are guided to take medical help, please go for it. And your full moon, if you have manifested on new moon, manifested some dreams, or wrote down your dreams and aspiration, in the next full moon it might have the chances to come true, guys. If your intention is good, pure, it will come true. And you are ascending at a higher level of consciousness. That's really nice. Congratulations, your intuition is on point and spot on. So follow your intuition. Queen of Pentacles, you'll get an opportunity in your job, in your career, and unless and until you land that job, don't leave your current job. And if you're finding difficult to land up a job, you will get a opportunity to earn something, to earn, or to publish a book, or to do something which will give you this pentacle. Just start. Just start, because the timing is right. And Queen of Pentacles is so calm and so nice. Yeah, can you see? Okay. So yeah, so saving is important, guys. And you can apply for that job or career or higher studies which you always wanted to do. Just do that, don't worry, they have your back. Knight of Wands, someone is rushing in to come towards you, maybe a fire sign or an air sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Someone is coming to offer you something, so just be aware not to take decisions. So not to rush into any decisions. Just focus on your heart and follow your intuition, as your intuition will be heightened as High Priestess came. And this you'll have a beautiful ride of your life. So yeah, and this signs which I have mentioned can be Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus sign. So in the love department, I can see there's an opportunity for you, but don't rush when it comes to love. Make decisions wisely and follow your heart. Okay, thank you. So yeah, guys, this was my mini reading. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and take what resonates and leave the rest. Thank you so much. I would like to end this reading by a short prayer, mantra of Mother Tara. I call her Mama Tara because she's very close to my heart. Green Tara, which is a very abundant, she deals with, a lot of stuff. You can just Google, her meaning, Green Tara. I just love her. Words. I don't have words to describe her, but I love her a lot. So yeah, I'll just say that for you, a healing energy for all of us. Thank you. Mama Tara, please come. Om Tare Tu Re Soha you guys. Love, live, laugh, and enjoy your life. And take care. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Oh my God.